Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 25. For every half of the surface area of the walls in the room that Amanda paints, Kelly paints 1/4 of it. What fraction of the wall will Kelly paint if Amanda paints 1/7 of it? This question is about productivity. That means the working rate for these two people to paint the wall. And Amanda, of course, to Kelly. Amanda's working rate is faster. We can see this is 0.5 to 1/4. That is 2 to 1. Amanda is faster. So if Amanda paints 1/7 of the wall, that means 2/14 of the wall. Since the working rate of Kelly is just half of what Amanda does, so Kelly paints half of it. 2/14 times half equals 1/14 of the wall. The answer 1/14. Productivity. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.